For this experiment, we are going to be looking at the earth battery. Now, an earth battery is a cathode and anode, which in this case is magnesium and copper in some damp soil. Now, I know I've done a earth battery in previous videos, but that just powered an ordinary LED. And for this experiment, we are going to be powering up this 220 volt light using an earth battery. So at the moment we have 1.37 volts, which is not nearly enough to power up this light bulb. So we're going to manipulate the energy in here to produce enough voltage to power up this light. So let's get started. I decided to make 2 more earth batteries just for good measure. Okay, so I've decided to connect them in series, and we have a total voltage of 4.147 volts, which is still not nearly enough to power up a 220 volt light bulb. So let's go on to the next step. Okay, so we got this LED, and as you can see, it lights up pretty well. Well, still quite dim. And so we need to power up this bulb, but it is a alternating current, so there is no ways that we can get this to light up. As you can see, there's nothing going on there. So I've decided to try and bring my little mini inverter, which you can see how I made in a separate video. So let's put this guy in and see what happens if we attach it to our little mini inverter. So positive there and negative over there, and not a single bit of light. Okay, so we need to go on to another step. So let's go on to the next step. Okay, so as we've seen earlier, this has just over 4 volts, and I've got this supercapacitor. This is a 5.5 volt, 1.5 farad supercapacitor, and we're going to see if we charge this up to 4 volts, will it be able to power up that 220 volt light using the inverter. So we know that this is 4 volts, but if the 4 volts is stored in here, will it be more efficient? So let's do that. Okay, so now we see that it's connected to the capacitor, and we can see that it's charging quite slowly, but it's charging. So we just got to wait until it's reached 4 volts, and then we're ready to use. There we go. So let's just wait for a while until it is ready. Okay, so after a few hours of charging, we are going to take these leads and put them on our mini inverter and let this light shine. So positive there and negative there, and there we go. How cool is that? That is 220 volts of light right there. And that is from your earth battery. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're ready to experiment with your own earth batteries. Please consider to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.